She look like she believe you?
Well, yes. She said she want me come back to teach a girl them some dancing. And she said this can't come go foreign to teach some dancing overseas. But I go like so I'm excited, but I'm not. Bubbles, she didn't want me to stay a little longer, you know. But guess how me leave? I go and let me get a phone call and tell her say the woman when I stay with is very ill and I have to go home for God take care of her. So she dropped me somewhere nearby and she give me taxi fare, Bubbles, and she said she wants to see me bright and early Saturday morning. But guess what? I not take no taxi and the bus me take I'm gonna save the rest of the money.
That's why you reach home so late. Let me tell you something.
I know. I mess up again.
Good job, Tony. I'm proud of you.
Bubbles, repeat that again. Slow.
Good job, Tony. Excellent job. But tell me something. What you would have done if she did try to take you away?
We did already have it planned out. Plus, we always have your on speed dial. So even if I see no look funny move, I jump through the window.
You're not easy, you know, little girl. No. Wait. No more little girl. Young sleeper. At the back door that?
Yeah.
Rotted. You know, so if you get to whisper come here tonight, Tony, and just let him in for me, please.
Who is it?
Tony, I know what you're doing now.
I have to make sure, sir. Do you know the secret knock?
Yeah, I know the secret now. Open the door, I'm gonna knock you out.
My goodness, why so aggressive?
Yeah, aggressive when she started. Little girl, you alright?
No, little girl. Young sleeper.
Ever eat?
Just go. Go. So tell me something. One for the team. I mean, whisper. What you have to report?
Really, bossy?